So on the VPN server configuration page, we're going to, again, just get a little more granular on some of our settings and configuration. You can see I don't have any counting servers here, but if I did, they would be listed here much like they are in the section here for our authentication servers. So authentication and accounting are essentially our radius servers. And you'll see that how I've got all these servers here configured. And then critically, as I'd mentioned before, IP addressing is rather important. If your clients connect and you have enough ports provisioned, but you don't have enough corresponding IP addresses, you're going to have problems. Clients won't be able to connect. And so this allows us to monitor the pool of available addresses per server. Now, this is a pre-release or preview version of Power On reporting, and there's actually a small bug, and it's actually, I think it's been fixed, but you'll see I have multiple servers listed as VPN1. That's a bug that's going to get addressed. But anyway, you can see here, if I scroll down a little bit, you can see that VPN2 has a pool, VPN3 has a pool, and so forth. And this does allow me to look at the number of ports, IKV2 and SSTP, to ensure that I have enough provision. And then I can see also in terms of my available connections and my ports allocated, I can keep an eye, I can keep a close eye on how well this server is doing in terms of capacity. If it has enough reserve capacity, if it's getting low, I can make adjustments to that, scale out or scale up as appropriate. And then, of course, our VPN server health certificate health. Again, certificate health, really critical. Here is the status of all my servers. They are healthy. It tells me who the issuer is and who the subject is. So that's good information to know as well. And then finally, in this last section here in the server information, I have all of our servers are listed, the domain that they're joined to, if they're joined, server name, builds, and so forth. Where this might be helpful is if you're doing some upgrades and you find that you're still running an old 2016 server, it would show up here and you would know, hey, maybe it's time to upgrade this server. So again, really helps kind of keep your configuration consistent and uniform.